It's the Slime Sisters, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make fluffy slime but with shaving gel. So I hope you like it. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and let's just get on to the video. So what you're going to need is some glue. I'm just using the gallon. Of course, some shaving gel. Some food coloring. This is optional. Some scent. It's scented orange. This is optional too. Some baby powder. You don't have to use this, but I like to. And you should probably use some foam soap and some foaming facial cleanser. This just makes the slime more thick, and this makes it a little bit more fluffy. And you're going to be needing some borax. So let's start making some slime. So what you want to do is pour in your glue as much as you want. I think that's good. Then your shaving gel. And it comes out as a gel, but whenever you mix it up, it will make the slime fluffy. So about that much. Then you want to put in your foam soap, about 5 squirts. Then about 3 pumps of your foaming facial cleanser. Your baby powder. And your color. I'm going to be using yellow. And then your scent. Then you want to mix. And so we'll be back. So I'll be back whenever I'm done mixing. Okay guys, so I'm done mixing, and on camera the color looks light, but it's actually really dark in real life. So now it's time to add our activator. So I'm just using 1 teaspoon of borax with 1 cup of hot water. And so you want to put about 1 spoonful of borax in, and then just mix it up. And so I'll just be back whenever the slime's done. Alright guys, so the slime is done, and this is how it turned out. It's really clicky and fluffy, and it's stretchy. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time guys. Bye!